So we're just having a quick meal. I finally did my errand, so now I'm having French fries and sundae in large vanilla McCafe. So, and Edwin is having his cheeseburger meal. Wait lang, Edwin, ha? Ito yung Coke mo. Ay. And there you go, Edwin's Coke. Oh, ayan. Edwin is having his meal. So we're just at the place. Bintana dito. Ay, teka, bintana. Iyon. Yan. So we're just at a place called Agro Tourist Site. Yeah. It's just a few minutes away from my house. Yeah. So let's just enjoy the view, guys. While I have my sundae and French fries combination. Eh, may pabukas. Hawak tong phone ko eh. Sorry. Thank you. Ayun, no? Perfect. Thank you, thank you, thank you. After we get still na. Ayan. Okay, look what I'm doing, guys. Oh. Like that. Pero hindi may ano, yung kutsara ng sundae ko. Okay, pagod na ng straw. Ang straw dyan. Ano yung burger mo? Ah, very good. Very good. Yan ah. See, this is my, yan. Go, guys. So have a good day, and I will have my French fries and sundae. Hi guys, so now we're just at this place called agro-tourism thingy. So it's just a few minutes from my house. So Edwin and I just stop over to have a McDonald's. So but look at this. This is just really sad, guys. Look at that. Look at all that garbage. Isn't that sad though? Look at that. With all these trees. So it rained a little bit. Look how the sky is. So look at all the trees. I guess there's some kind of an outpost or something. Right there, so stairs leading down. So, yeah. And it goes way, way, way up there. It's a place called Timberland, I think. It's another subdivision of some kind. But yeah, so this is where I live, San Mateo. Nothing but trees all around. There. So enjoy the rest of your day. And everything that is around us. Enjoy the sound of the birds, sound of the cars in the background. So just thank you for the support, and I will see you on the next one. And let's just watch the clouds and the sun. I saw a yellow bird there somewhere. I don't know where it went.